The gap is where some students have access to the latest laptops, smartphones, and stable internet connections, and some students don't even have an internet connection at home to study online. This technology gap is referred to as the digital divide.
Okay, class, for your assignment, do a research about similarities and differences between state and nation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Jella.
What should I do now? I have an assignment. I just only have a keypad. This cannot help me to research my assignment anymore.
Oh, Andrea, why are you look so sad? Are you alright?
Yeah.
No, since you're not fine, tell me your problem so that I can help you.
Thank you. I actually sad having this kind of a little mood.
Oh, that's it? Well, let me help you.
How can you help me?
I have a friend who has cell phone and maybe you can borrow it.
Really? But I'm a little bit shy.
Don't be shy, okay? Let's go. Hello? Marjo, are you there? Hello, Marjo. Did you hear that? Heard what? Someone is calling your name. Oh, wait. Oh, it's you, Keisha. Come in. Have a seat. By the way, who is she? She's my classmate and their name is Andrea. Andrea, my friend Marjo.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Marjo, what it is? She has asked you something. What it is, Andrea?
May I borrow your phone for a while? I just really need that because I have an assignment and because it will be submitted tomorrow.
No problem. Here you are.
Thank you so much. Don't worry. I will return this later after searching my assignment. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
How can I use this phone? There's no internet connection. I think I have to go back to Marjo because she is expert about this.
Oh, Andrea, I forgot to ask you a question on how to use this phone. Okay, come in. Okay, let me help you. When you were going to connect the internet, you should press this first and find the name of the internet you will be connected. Okay? Finally connected, and you can research through the use of Google. Whatever research you wanted to find, all of them can be found in the Google, okay?
Thank you, Marjo.
You're welcome.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Jella.
Okay, before we will start our new discussion, everyone pass your assignment. those who can submit their assignment today, I will give you a chance to submit it tomorrow.
I need to save money to buy cell phone.
What do you want to buy? Nothing. I just want to go with you. Okay.
I think this is not enough to buy a new phone. I need some more money.
Oh guys, are you already here? Okay guys, I'm coming in.